Wada din mayat ay ugali, ang mamaganda pa'y lang didi. Ituloy tako kumadnuani, adidan binukodan di gawin. Panmayatan, panbibingayan, ano aday panrigata, natakot lang, di manbibingayan. Nusubras ang wadang Lumabaling umibingay ka. Parang ko'y tiyempo ay magkasapulan ka. Sa kapag-igaw kanda, adita kon bukod ang di gawis. No aday panmayatan panbibingayan. Ano aday panrigatan tatapong naglakan. Di man bibingayan. Dundun ko tumakog ay manas na adi man sa pulan si Ipana. Mamipugaw tako ay manrik na. Adi akong mabiyag ay manas na adita kon bukod ang di gawis. No aday panmayatan panbibingayan. No aday panrigatan tatapong matlaan. Di man bibingadan. Adita kon bukod ang di gawis. No aday panmayatan panbibingayan. Ano aday panrigatan datako matlaan. Adita kon bukod ang di gawis. No aday panmayatan panbibingayan. Ano aday panrigatan datako matlaan. Di man bibinadan.
Susi Kanyak Benguet Federation 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and then I am very much happy and thankful iti trust na interview kanya, and then the support, and sabay kumanta niya kay support and kay trust na interview kanya kat ipasa tayo matinyo nga chairman kayo tata, and we hope na let's still continue supporting each other. So old. And then we are very much thankful kasi still existing like federation tayo, and then we hope and pray na we will continue supporting and loving each other. So, co-officers, co-advisors, manyaman itipagkamalian tayo at itinulong tayo also with our members. And, we will not work for it without your support. So, I pass this key of responsibility. Nanyaman din nakurangak supusang and then nayunam na niya tinagkurangak, and then take care of the federation.
Hello. Ayun, grabe nervous ko. So nga, inaaramin ko dahil pala yung speech ko. Basa lang tani, baka ang pentak dito yung nervous ko. The trust and confidence that everyone in here listed in me is unspeakable. And I thank you all of that. With humility, I sincerely accept the chairwomanship of Benguet Federation and the mandate of election. This is a great responsibility, and I am committed to do my very best to execute my duties with humility and dedication in order to earn the confidence that is in me. As part of the new leadership, we hope to develop camaraderie, friendship, unity, love, and concern to every municipalities, the 13 municipalities of Benguet here in Hong Kong, which forms the Benguet Federation. Leading a group, an organization or federation may be tough. This is a challenge that I am ready to conquer as long as we will work with you. Hand in hand, support each other with open hearts and minds to understand each other's. We will definitely keep our vision alive. To my fellow nuisance of officers, this is a new responsibility and duty for us. I believe that we can work out together and take our best to attain and value our obligations and assignment for the betterment of our members, our federation. We are looking forward that our 2 years of working with all you will bring positive results to all of us. In God's will and guidance, wisdom and knowledge, we 2019 Benguet Federation officers accept our duties accordingly. So help us, Father God. Thank you.
Adita kon buko dan di